Another pocket that's doing very well this morning is cement. So you have the larger names, Ultratech Cement, that are up over 1%. There's Shree Cement that's up over 1%. And now even something like a JK Lakshmi Cement is also moving up with both strength on the volume and the price charts. So don't lose sight of that. Let's go across to Manisha Gupta, our commodities editor, to find out what she's tracking in the commodity markets. Manisha, over to you.
Thank you for that, Sonia. When I'm looking at sugar prices, which have continued to do quite smartly over the last couple of trading sessions, and we are back above 20 cents a pound into this one, not too far away from a 6-year low that we hit on 23rd of December, when the prices did go all the way up to 21 cents a pound as well. So markets moving firm. A couple of reasons for that. One is that you are looking at lower sugar output in Europe, and Europe is in the international markets shopping for sugar, as are many of the other Gulf countries as well. And then while the Thailand sugar output is expected to be strong, but the delay in harvest has been adding premium to prices there as well. When you look at the raw sugar prices, well, we have been jumping up for the last 4 years now. 2022 as well was a 4th straight year of gains coming in for the sugar prices. And when you look at raw and white sugar, we did see gains in the previous year, up by nearly 13% for white sugar and 7.5% for the raw sugar prices also. What the markets are watching out for is the Indian demand going forward now. This weekend is Makar Sankranti, and the sugar increase demand that we are seeing in the domestic markets is one of the supportive factors. And this is the weekend that you see the Indian wedding season restart as well after a gap of nearly a month. That also may lead to more sugar demand into the international space. Brazilian political unrest is one thing to watch out for, and then the fuel price policy in Brazil itself is something that the markets are looking at. That is keeping the prices jittery also. The Indian sugar exports, well, that is a strong number. 6 million ton has been allowed, but we do understand that while most of that may have been contracted, what the actual exports have been till time is 1.8 million ton. But the industry tells us that the rest of this quantity also will be exported by the end of March there. There's one thing that continues to keep putting pressure on sugar prices, and the reason that we haven't been able to sustain above 21, and that is the report from International Sugar Organization, which says that for 2022-23, we could be looking at a higher output by 5.5% at a record 182 million tons, and that could be putting some pressure.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Manisha. Well, one of the metal stocks that's not reacting well today is Nalco. It's under some pressure.